Labor Day, California, 2008, aboard the Jellybean, going out to Catalina, and we are having some fun. This is really magnificent to go at this speed. Behind me is Dave Parker. Say hello, Dave. Hello, Dave. Say hello, Red.
Hello, Red.
Hello, Red.
Hello, Dave.
This is really something when we go at this speed. You see this wake. Such a power of a 115-foot boat going at this speed, going through the water. No jerking the camera. Right there's Billy Joe. Jellybean. Where's everybody over there? Hello, Jellybean. Hello, Jellybean. Woo! Look at that. Ready something. Let's get low to this side. Here it is today. The Jellybean2, Labor Day, 2008. There's Dave. There's Red. Hello. Look at that. Look at that. Woo! 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 Here we go to the big stuff. Come on! Woohoo! Woo! Woo! Comes the big stuff. For the Jellybean2. That's what I'm talking about. That's a real ship. There's Captain Al up there. He's going to give us some horn.